Y'all, I'm so excited. I know you see this color. I know you see these layers. I know you see this curtain bang. Forever fam, welcome back. Thank you so much for your patience during my absence. I know it's been a minute since I've done a long form YouTube video, but your girl is back and I've recommitted myself to YouTube. I have been active on YouTube Shorts though, so I definitely recommend you check those out because I post on there literally every single day. But I was like, you know what? It's about time that I come back and actually sit down with my people. Shout out to everyone that was able to make my YouTube live the other day. It was an impromptu decision, but I'm really glad I did it. I was able to give a lot of life updates. And also we tried on some wigs live together. So it was awesome. I'm thinking of doing that more often. Who knows? Maybe I'll even do it on a monthly basis. But overall, y'all, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling great. I know a lot of y'all saw my life update video where I discussed some things I was going through. I definitely touched on my breakup from last year and how much that affected me. But right now, I'm in a much better space. That's why I'm back here today. So we're gonna get into it. And y'all already know what day it is. It's $20 Tuesday. If you're new here, $20 Tuesday is a special time on my channel where I showcase super cute wigs for the lovely $20 price range and below. This right here, yes, this is by Freetress Equal. Her name is Maven. She's actually, to me, the little sister of the super viral wig Freetress Equal Bombshell. But honestly, y'all, if I'm keeping it all the way real, I like Maven better. And I'll get into why. And I like this wig so much that I bought this in 6 colors. Yes, 6 colors. The burgundy, the 1B, the spicy, 3 different blonde colors. I'm going to be showing all of those shades in this video. And I really hope it's helpful for people who like seeing multiple colors of wigs, especially on brown skin. I'm also going to touch on this parting space. Look at this here. So the parting space is decent, but there is a line of demarcation here. It may not be obvious. And I want to see how I can make that look more natural in this video. I've shown in past videos how I cut a V in the lace, but I need to do an updated video for 2025. So if you're ready to see what Maven's all about, please keep watching. So this is the unit I have here, Maven, in the color High Coconut. As soon as I put this unit on, I already knew what it was. It's a beautiful honey blonde color. As you can see, it's darkly rooted here and it blends so nicely into like 4 different blondes. That's a huge pro for me. When units are colored correctly, I love it, especially at this price point. Right now, you can get this wig anywhere from $22 to $35, depending on where you shop. And it's giving like salon quality. It's giving someone colored this unit for me. I would never spend the time doing this on a human hair wig myself, so I really appreciate synthetic wigs for that reason alone. So color is a big pro for me. Another pro is just the style. It's a classic style, but something about this curtain bang like knocks it up a few points. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Now, I'm a bang girl, and some of y'all know that I really stand for Freetress Equal Brisa from back in the day, but I used to ask Shake and Go Hair like, when are y'all coming out with more bang wigs? And in the year of our Lord, in the year of Beyonce's internet, they finally brought out this unit. I'm so in love with this. This literally looks like sunshine. I feel like my best self when wearing this type of color. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. And if you are a dark-skinned woman like myself, I'm talking to you directly, and you've been steering away from these blondes because you're not sure how it's gonna look on you, yada yada, sis, stop it. Cut it out, okay? These blonde wigs are made for our skin tone. I'm telling you, it's just a matter of finding the type of blonde that goes best with your undertone. For me, I do have like a more golden undertone, and so honey blondes really work well for me. But I also have the type of undertone where I can do cooler colors as well, and you'll see when I rock the other blondes. Now, when I first tried Maven, I tried her in the 1B. I showed this unit on Instagram, on TikTok, and people absolutely loved it. Loved it because of how I cut the bangs across my face. So for one of the wigs today, I am gonna show you how I cut the bangs across my face, and trust me, it's super easy. All right, so here is Freetress Maven in the 1B color, and we're gonna put her on in real time. Y'all told me y'all like when I talk through my tutorials, so I got you. Maven comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and you have this parting here at the crown. This is what I'm talking about. I just wish all synthetic bang wigs came like this. This is what we need. This is what makes the wig look more natural. When it has that little closure where all the hair gathers at the crown, Miss me with all that. I need some lace, okay? I would describe the texture as like a light yaki texture. There's definitely some weight in the hair. The other day, someone mentioned to me in the comments of my YouTube short, like they thought that yaki hair and kinky straight hair are the same thing. There's a difference, y'all. Yaki hair is smoother, it's a little bit sleeker, but it still has like a weight in the hair, like a slight kink to it. But kinky straight hair is thicker, denser. It looks like blown out type 4 hair. So I just wanted to make sure I say that for those who have gotten confused by using the terms yaki, kinky, straight, because sometimes people use them interchangeably. So let's just toss this on, okay? Let's see what we're working with Miss Maven. I have a medium-sized head, by the way, so I would say she fits pretty comfortably on my head. My head is like 22.3 circumference. Also, y'all need to get the unbrushed. That is the best detangler brush that I've ever had. I love it so much. This is the one I have right here. And literally, I just purchased the Unbrush Plus, which has like longer and thicker prongs. Can't wait to try it. All right, y'all, so this is the 1B. What do we think? She's cute. Off camera, I just added heat to the top of the wig to flatten it out, and now it's laying a lot better. That's a pro tip. Tale as old as time. Please add heat to the top of your wigs. Do not walk out with your wigs looking like a cone head. You don't have to do that. These wigs are heat safe, so it's okay if you add heat to them. So, it looks cute, right? But if you get up close, this parting space still looks a little crazy with this line of demarcation here. That line is there because there's 2 layers of lace. So we're gonna cut through that, okay?
So when I started filming this part, y'all, my camera was not staying in focus. So I was like, you know what? Let me just grab a clip from one of my old YouTube videos where I show exactly how to cut this V in the lace. So stay tuned. So if you are ready to see how I go from this to this, keep on watching. So let's focus on this parting space area. What you'll notice is that this parting space, right where the line of demarcation is, there is one because it's like a double layer of lace there and it's folded over. Y'all see that? It's literally folded over. So we need to cut that out. We need to get underneath that lace. So right now I'm taking my small scissors and I'm putting an incision right here at the tip of the lace here, and I'm going to cut into a V shape. Take your time when you do this. Be careful because you don't want to essentially rip the lace. Just make a V. And this is what I do in order to make my lace part wigs look natural. So here you'll see that I made my V. It's a very small V. It's actually looking more like a little U, but that's fine too. And now you'll see when I flip it over, you can see that the lace has opened up. So we can get in there with the scissors. So now I'm going to take my scissors and literally just stick it in where the lace is. And I'm cutting. I'm cutting very carefully because the goal here is to get rid of that second layer of lace. So that way the top layer of lace can lay flush on the scalp. As you can see here, I'm pushing the lace away as I cut away at it. And this is a good sign. So far, I'm not making holes or anything. I'm being very careful. It's good to use a small scissors like I'm using right here. I'm not really cutting away the whole second layer. I'm just really cutting the front part because that's what my main focus is right now. If this close-up is helping you, definitely let me know in the comments down below. Now you'll see here that I cut away the layer that I don't need, and now only the top layer is exposed. And now it's time for me to put the wig back on my head and continue the process of making the parting space blend. So after I cut the V in my lace, I went in with some Bold Hold gel. And this is something that's used when you want to wear a wig glueless. I'm just using it to smooth some of my natural hairs out the way and really define that parting space area so that way I can pull up the wig and just let it blend. You see how now it's blending a lot more seamlessly and you're no longer seeing that line of demarcation. I even go on top of that parting space area with more bold hold gel. And I use this portable fan from Amazon to press it down, and you'll see the final result. Look at that, the before and after. Come on now. Complete difference. And this is just a cheap $20-something wig. You can do this on any wig that has that really harsh line of demarcation.
Real quick, let's play with the burgundy. All right. Woo wee. This is looking really red on camera. It's actually more muted in person. All right, so this color is very pretty. The style has not completely come together yet. I do have to flatten down the top with some heat, but here's what we do with the bang, okay?
This is how you cut your bangs, y'all. You twist the piece of hair. Must twist it, then you snip. Make sure you leave a little bit of room for error when you're cutting that hair. Don't cut it too high. And that's it. That's how you get the bang. And then you'll see that I snipped the sides a little bit just to make it a little bit more even. Overall, y'all, this wig is popping. Please go get the wig. That's why I had to get it in 6 colors, as you can see right here. And I really hope that seeing me, a dark-skinned woman, wear all these colors encourages you to do the same, because they're made for us, truly. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. Make sure you say hi to me in the comments, because I really, really miss my forever family. And I'll be back next week. I promise you that. I want to get back to the wig tutorials, of course, as well as fashion and vlogging. Just hold me to it, okay? Love y'all oh so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.